How can Americans avoid FATCA penalties in Europe? Imagine living in Europe, enjoying new sights and sounds, but still managing your U.S. tax responsibilities without stress. That's possible if you understand how to navigate FATCA rules. FATCA, the Foreign Account Tax Compliance Act, requires U.S. citizens to report foreign financial accounts and assets to the Internal Revenue Service. If you have a bank account in Europe, you might need to file Form 8938 with your annual tax return. This form covers foreign assets exceeding $50,000 for single filers or $100,000 for married couples filing jointly. You also need to file the Foreign Bank Account Report, known as FBAR, if the total value of all foreign accounts exceeds $10,000 at any point during the year. Failing to file these forms can lead to penalties starting at $10,000 and rising to $50,000 for continued noncompliance. If the failure is willful, penalties can reach up to $124,000 or 50% of the account balance. These penalties can add up quickly, so staying compliant is essential. Keeping detailed records is a smart move. Save copies of all foreign tax returns, proof of taxes paid abroad, bank statements, and documents showing your time spent in Europe. These records help support your filings and can protect you if the IRS questions your reports. Consulting a tax professional experienced in expatriate tax law is highly recommended. They can help you understand your specific reporting obligations, identify if you qualify for exclusions like the Foreign Earned Income exclusion, and guide you through complex rules. Choosing the right European banks is also important. Many banks hesitate to work with U.S. citizens because of FATCA compliance costs. Look for banks that explicitly state they accept U.S. persons and understand their reporting requirements. Some Americans, especially those who did not plan to keep U.S. citizenship, find FATCA burdensome. In extreme cases, they consider renouncing U.S. citizenship to avoid ongoing reporting and penalties. This is a serious decision that requires legal advice and careful thought. Stay informed about agreements between the European Union and the United States. These arrangements can influence how data is exchanged and what your reporting obligations are. By understanding these rules, filing accurately and on time, keeping good records, and seeking expert advice, Americans living in Europe can avoid costly penalties. Being proactive with your tax compliance makes living abroad smoother and more enjoyable.